this class we are going to learn how to move the object and also how to rotate the objects and how to scale, and it means how to increase or decrease the scale of the object by using the shortcut keys in the 3ds Max. Before going to move the object, first we draw some objects. We can take the move from this to this main bar, or also we can press the shortcut key for move command is W, enter, and hold this and move the object in the corresponding directions, or you can else move from the center. This is for move command. And next one is rotate command. For shortcut key is E, and then press enter. By using the circles we can rotate the convenient angles, or you can move the XY direction in 3D views. This is for rotate command. And next one is scale command. For shortcut key is R, and then press enter. Select the axis and then change the scale. Or you can also change the scale by selecting the middle of the portion. This is